Hi, thanks for stopping by on Saturday, February 28th, 2026. This will be the live demo portion. Just got one slide. Do the setup if you're just coming in cold. And that setup is for y'all. This is a 2026 MBA debrief. I've sent the data off my business calendar to this box here. This box is createacalendarsnack.com. There's about 1,280 MBA events that were uploaded into the business calendar. The upload process is a automation, and this process of sending it to this crate box is an automation as well. I'm not going to get into that, but the setup here is we're using the calendar client as CRUD. So anything I do here is mapped to this API gateway. That data is ingested and stored and then visualized in these calendars. These calendars are for specific game demos for NBA, NFL, and MLB. This right now is NBA for February 2026. And let's get going on specifics of a live demo. So that said, I have a screen here. You'll see when I go home, it's an organizer screen. It's live. I'm going to go to the hub. This hub allows me to generate a schedule of events. I'm going to go ahead and create a schedule of events, and I'm going to create a monthly view. You'll see it there. And it's that simple. I'm just going to paint it emerald. And what we're going to do is just view it. And it's going to auto-generate the NBA calendar. You'll see it right there. It's super cool. And what happens here live is I'm going to bring out a Chrome. That's a Safari over here. When I scroll down here, I'm going to put in a email address of Mandy. I click this button. This supercharges the page itself. And what I do here is just click one button and the calendar invites show up. I need to prove that to y'all. So here's Mandy's inbound email box right here. No foolery. It is Amanda's, Mandy at techvader.com. It's one of her demo accounts. And you'll see it work here. And there you go. So what I'm going to do is just click a button here to get the 28th game. I'm going to click this button here, and let's see how many more games we got. Got quite a few today. I'll probably stop right there. You'll see 4 of them come in over here. It's live. This calendar invite button here is our REST API, has all the data loaded behind it for these individual games. And there they are there. They just 4 just showed up here. What I'm going to do in the back is I'm going to say yes to these games. I might say maybe, it doesn't matter. It's a demo. And the idea and concept around this is this calendar right now is registered in the service because I'm responding back to it as Mandy. Zach's the organizer over here. And what I'll do is go into his event hub. You'll see some of this data now being collected. Let's just head to the Hornets. So go back to the hub and back to, let's see, this panel here. And what I'm going to take a peek at is view results and upcoming. We're going to do a check-in for the Hornets. And you'll see that we collected one calendar receipt there. That was from Mandy. Mandy said tentative. So let's go back here to Mandy's box. Mandy's box is communicating to the API gateway. And so that was for the Hornets. So let's go to the Hornets here. She said maybe. That's lining up here as tentative. I'm going to say yes to Mandy over here. And when I refresh the screen over here, it's going to gather the data live from the calendar receipt, and it will change the status from tentative to accepted. You saw that right there. So what's going on in the background here is a little known thing which we built around our tech stack. We're the only ones that do it. Again, we're not doing add to calendar, doing live calendar receipts. Mandy just interacted with her calendar. She sent the calendar receipt back. She changed it from maybe to yes. That goes to an API gateway, and we grind that data down and it's visualized, which I just showed you all here live. I'm going to stop maybe the demo there, and we'll go in a bite-sized kind of chunk today instead of kind of rambling for several minutes, and we'll try it that way. Thanks for stopping by here.